Coach ako dun eh.
Goal!
Inside. Back. Nahihila naman. Now serving jersey number 4. Received by Danny Beans. Number 5, Andre. Score is all three. Serving is Daddy Beans. Pasok mo yan ah. Eh, okay. Sorry, my fault. Serving by jersey number 8. Nice service. Haluin mo! 1, 2, 3. Okay lang yan. Less error, please. Go, Team Alak! Bias eh.
Eh, alam, matatak sila sa first.
Oh, start! Go, Team Yanig!
Go alam! Go RJ!
Go, Team Yanig! Nawalan ako ng pag-asa. Hindi ako mawalan ng pag-asa. Go, Team Alak! Time out nila mamaya. Bawi guys! Wala yan, dalawa lang. Serving by jersey number 8. Okay, serving. Miko ba? Miko, no? Tama. Ay, hindi. By the setter. Nice one! Set is ace! Yeah. Mukhang bumabawi siya sa mga errors niya. So, good job! Alab is on fire! Alab is not on fire! Go Team Yanig! Inside! Service ace! Service ace by Dre. Oh, pasok! Nakaka-stress. Kapitan nyo, Team Alab! This is your last chance. This is your do or die.
Sir, float.
Hey!
Nice one din.
Oh, hindi siya. Team Yanig is now shaking. Shaking their what? Serving, jersey 15. Inside. Oh, again and again?
Okay, let's go, Alab.
Hey! Finally! Go, Alab team! I love you!
Smile and have fun.
I I think they need to use the timeout. Or go. Sige, laban pa rin. Hindi pa rin sila magta-timeout.
Nice serve.
Nice service. Drop. Chance ball
Ben!
for Yannick. Oh, what a shot! Bawal mo magka-debate. By Vince. Oh, another error. Now serving Rico. Nice serving. Set by their team captain. Drop by Vince. Drop by. Oh. It is a wrong. Oh. It's a wrong rotation. Okay.
Kailangan take care of.
Now serving by their team captain, Neil.
Nice
Oh,
serve.
hard serve. Nice one. Set by their center. Oh! What a... What a barang! Nice receive by JK. Paluin mo, JK! Hey! Nice one! Okay, Alan. Alan! I love you! Siya na naman ang service? Okay, sige. Siya daw. Outside. Now serving by jersey number 16. I think it's inside. Yes, it's inside. But outside on the other side. Four points from Yannick to be in the final. Okay. Sabay number 28. Serving by Ate Grace. Grabe na yung hangin. Pero pinalaman pa rin. Oh! Inside! Wow! It's inside nga. Oh! Pinutakan ang alaw. Don't worry guys, if ever man tayo kaya may banang for third pa po tayo. Hey, it's outside. Service by JK. Jump ball again, and it's the point for Andre.
Okay ra? Better.
Oh, nice service.
Okay.
Spike! Nice one. Oh! It's inside. Last one. Four. Team Unique. For the finals. Oh my gosh, parang nararamdaman na nila ang 10K. Pero hindi kami papayag. Oh! Touch, touch, touch! Go, go! Nice one. Oh! Drop! Hey! Nice one. Now serving! Camila Lamina. Oh, inside. Nice one. Nice one, Lamina. This is her last playing year. Lamina